Hey there, I'm Dory with the blog This Full Life 5, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a board and batten wall in just one afternoon using MDF boards. But first, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we're putting new material out every week. Okay, so my husband and I created this board and batten wall in our entryway in just one afternoon. We used MDF boards, which made it super affordable. I think it was around $20 to create this whole wall with the MDF boards, and so we are going to show you how you can do the same thing in your home. So first, we gave our entryway wall here just one coat of paint. I used Valspar's Perfect White paint and primer, and I will give a review on that paint soon. This was the first time that I had used it and I was really impressed with it. Usually white, when you're going over a darker color, in this case we were going over blue, it takes several coats, but this only took 2 coats. It really covered well, and so I'll be talking more about that soon. But first we gave the wall one coat of the paint, and then we allowed it to dry. We measured the wall to cut the boards, and we decided that we would go ahead and do a little chair rail. So we got a smaller MDF board to sit on top of the thicker ones. We ended up getting 2.5-inch MDF boards and then a smaller 1.5-inch board for the chair rail. So we made our measurements and we made the cuts, and we were ready to start attaching the boards. To attach the boards, you will want to use some glue. We used Loctite glue. And then we also used our nail gun in a few areas as well, just for that extra support. And so first you're going to attach your top board going across. Now you're ready for your bottom board. Go ahead and measure and cut your bottom board and attach it the same way you attached your top board. Now you're ready for your middle boards. You can decide, depending on the length of your wall, how many you want to go across. The way ours ended up, we ended up doing 3 boards across, and we didn't even end up needing to nail these ones in. We just applied the glue to the back and then we attached them to the wall. Once you have your boards attached, you are ready for caulk. You want to go ahead and caulk all of the edges of your boards so that it gives that finished professional look. Once everything has dried, go ahead and give it another coat of paint. I used that same paint, the Perfect White by Valspar, and gave it a second coat of paint all over. Once the paint was dry, it was finished and ready to go. We love how our entryway board and batten DIY wall turned out. I hope this post was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can, and be sure to visit us on the blog thisfulllife5.com, and we will see you soon.